subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hey everyone! Today we are going to make this beautiful mandap for Ganesh Chaturthi. And all you need is few thermocols, pencils and craft paper. So let's get started. Firstly, take a thermocol sheet and cut it around 10 by 10 centimeters in length. You need to cut out 2 of them. Take a red pattern paper and glue it to one side of the thermocol. I would like to thank Let's Be Creative for your valuable comment. Thank you for commenting down and please keep watching my videos. And if you do want to get featured in my next video, all you have to do is comment down below about this video. And I will pick one of you guys in my next video. It looks like this. Also glue a plain red cardstock in the bottom. Now to cover the sides, I took around 1.5 centimeters of the red cardstock and glued it. Do this similarly to the other thermocol sheet as well. Now your base is ready. You need to make the pillars, so take few pencils and leave few centimeters from both the sides, and using the hot glue gun, stick the glitter sheet around it. You can also use tapes by wrapping it around the pencil, or you can paint it using a gold color. After you're done, cut out the extra. Do this similarly to the remaining pencils as well. And now you need to assemble them all together. Punch a hole in all the 4 corners and insert your pencils into it. Now take your other thermocol and punch holes into it as well. Now fit the pencils and the thermocol all together. To make it more sturdy, I used some hot glue gun over here. I also added a red colored lace around 3 sides of the mandap. We will add a toran at the remaining side. And to make a toran, take a red paper and cut out about 2 centimeters in height and the width of your mandap, and glue the gold ball shape. You need to glue it from the ascending to the descending order. by cutting out one by one in length. Similarly, on the other side, do it from descending to ascending order. After you're done, it looks like this. It definitely takes a little bit of time to do it, but it totally gives that amazing look to the mandap. Now glue this to the mandap using the hot glue gun. I also added few designer and glitter tapes to the borders. And that's it, you're done. Your handmade mandap is ready. It only took few basic materials and definitely looks so beautiful and elegant. Lastly, place your Ganesha in the mandap. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and do comment down below about this handmade mandap and let me know what you think. And do subscribe to my channel and hit that like button as well. And until then, meet you in my next video. Happy crafting!